No matter what size, every business needs a workhorse. Introducing the new HP Latex 3200. A printer built to meet your diverse application needs. Keep your production in-house and save time, labor, and money. But an even bigger business needs an even more powerful workhorse. The new HP Latex 3600, engineered for dedicated application production. Gain more efficiency with the ability to print unattended and take your production overnight. The new HP Latex 3000 printer series has been internally re-engineered to be more robust. Achieve superior indoor and outdoor quality at any speed. Stay in control, both in-plant and online. And minimize your labor costs, driving your profits higher. The new HP Latex 3000 printer series. Continuous quality you can trust.